Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to find resources on NG Connect. So you need to go to mygconnect.com and then the students will need to click for students. And when they sign in, it's a little different than how they sign in regularly. So they need to do their username and make sure they put at washk12.org. And then the password is just their lunch number. So leave off the first initials that are usually part of their password, and they should just type in their lunch number. So it's a 6-digit number. And then this is what the home screen looks like for the students. So to find the books, the read on your own books for phonics lessons, they need to click here, student books. And then over here on the right hand side, it says read on your own. And they just need to look for the book. So like Unit 1, Book 1. And in the phonics videos, it will say what book they're looking for. So they just scroll down and they can go to like Unit 6 and then find whatever book they're looking for. And then they just open it up and they just switch the pages using this button down here. And they're able to read and practice it. And then they can do comprehension coach. If they have a recorder, they can record themselves reading it. So that's a really awesome tool. So I hope that was helpful. Good luck, guys.